Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. Today we'll learn how to create a folder using terminal. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open your terminal. Here I'm going to do it. And now an interface like this will come. So we have to know the current location first. So that is pwd. Here is our current location. If I expand the folder, here is all of our folders available. I'm going to enter desktop, cd desktop. Now I'm inside of desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder that will appear directly in our desktop. So we have to type mkdir and the folder name. For example, I want to create a folder named TECHFOX. So I'm just pressing return button. And this is the folder. For example, I want to create another folder, mkdir sosg. Here is the second one. So that's it. Now you know how to create a folder using terminal. If you type mkdir and the folder name, then the folder will be created. Here is the third one. Thanks for watching.